Good evening YouTube, and thank you for joining me in the workshop for this very special announcement. And as you can see by this beautiful Heath Robinson appendage I've got here, the news I've received today is absolutely life-changing for me, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. I was so excited, you know, I wanted to sort of like share it with all my subscribers. And that news is that today I found out that I will be sponsored by Axminster Tools and Machinery, which is absolutely fantastic. So as you all know, I've had a long relationship with Axminster Tools and Machinery. Firstly as you know, a customer that went in there and was buying things, and I used to go in there with my support worker, and right from the very first visit, you know, they were so welcoming and they looked after me, and they couldn't do enough, and that's still the same. And that relationship, you know, took another step by them giving me the opportunity to do in-store demonstrations and inspire and motivate people, whilst obviously demonstrating Axminster lathes, etc. So anyway, yeah, got the news today, absolutely over the moon, and I'm so happy that Axminster, you know, believe in me so much, and you know, they really are supporting me, and they've made a commitment now to support me on a professional level. So it just reinforces that even though, you know, you can go through a severe life-changing disability, you know, and times can be really hard, with hard work and tenacity and a great group of friends and a superb support network from the likes of all my friends on YouTube and subscribers and friends and family and Axminster Tools and Machinery. Anything is possible, it truly is. So it is a dream come true for me, and I was told by Phil Lewis, who's the store manager at Warrington, which is the store that I go to. Well, that's my local store. It's about 35-40 minutes away. And you know, Phil Lewis, Paul Lotter, shout out to the crew there now. Phil Lewis, the manager, Paul Lotter, the deputy manager. You have Shawnee, Kate, Dave and Phil, who are the advisors and in-store experts and demonstrators, and even a couple that have moved on now to new pastures. You know, wish them well and thank you for helping me out when they were there. So absolutely amazing. I'm sort of like struggling to formulate what I need to say, but the future is definitely bright for me, and they're going to, like I say, help me progress now, and I'm so excited to be given this opportunity, and obviously I'm going to do my very best and work, you know, as hard as I can to make them proud of me. So that's it really, folks. Thank you so very much for listening to this, and yeah, well, watch this space. Thank you very much. Bye.